Morning light, quiet and soft. You rise, and the body feels slower than your mind. That first step, the small creak in your back, the hesitation before you move. What if that stiffness you feel each morning isn't a sign of getting old? What if it's simply your body saying, I haven't received the signal yet? For many of us, those first few minutes feel heavy. The knees ache, the back feels tight, the body waits for permission to move. We tell ourselves, just walk it off. It will pass. But those moments of hesitation slowly take away our confidence. Here's the truth. Your body isn't breaking down. It's just not fully awake. While you rest, your nervous system drifts into silence, and it takes a signal to bring it back online. In Japan, for nearly a century, millions begin their day with a gentle ritual called Radio Taiso, 3 quiet minutes of rhythmic movement, not exercise, but conversation, a way to remind the body, I am here, I am ready. When adapted for the body after 60, this ritual becomes something deeper. It reconnects the pathways between your brain, your joints, your balance, your confidence. In this episode, I'll guide you through a calm version of that ritual. Movements you can do the moment you wake up to reawaken your balance and prepare your body for the day ahead. And before we start, I'd love to know where you're joining from. Leave a short hello in the comments. Maybe your city, or how your mornings usually feel. This community is built one voice at a time, and your story might be the one that helps someone else move again. All right, let's begin this gentle 3-minute ritual, a way to remind your body that the day has started. Move slowly, breathe easily. Listen to your body. There is no rush. Here, reaching and opening, reawakening the spine and lungs. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, arms resting by your sides. This isn't just a stretch. It's a signal of expansion. When we sleep, the spine shortens slightly, and the breath becomes quiet. Now, we invite space back in. Inhale. Lift your arms wide and upward, slow and smooth, reaching softly toward the ceiling. Feel your ribs open, your spine lengthen, your lungs filling. At the top, a small, gentle arch, the chest opening to the morning. Exhale. Lower your arms slowly. Let your shoulders slide down your back. Feel yourself return to the ground, taller, lighter. Repeat 3 to 5 times, matching breath and motion. A conversation between air and movement. You're not just lifting your arms. You're waking up every joint along the spine and every cell in your lungs. Gentle side bend. Reclaiming lateral freedom. Still standing tall, raise your right arm slowly toward the sky. As you exhale, bend gently to the left, as if sliding down an invisible wall. Keep your chest open. No folding forward. Just a long, easy curve from hip to fingertips. Feel the length along your side, from waist to ribs to armpit. Inhale and rise back to center. Switch sides, slow and smooth. Repeat 2 or 3 times each way. Moving like a wave. You're not just bending, you're reminding your body that movement exists in every direction, not just forward and back. Stable foundation, signaling the hips and knees. Now let's wake up your foundation. Feet shoulder-width apart, hands resting lightly on your hips. Slowly, bend your knees, just a few inches, as if sitting into a shallow chair. Keep your heels down, chest lifted, hips gently back. Feel the thighs and glutes engage. Then slowly press through your heels and rise. Repeat 5 to 7 times, breathing calmly. If standing feels unsteady, you can do this seated. Press your feet into the floor and lift gently through your thighs. You're not just bending, you're rebuilding trust between your brain, your hips, and your knees. Your body's pillars of independence. Full body circulation. The final signal. Finally, a whole body wake up. Stand tall, knees soft, arms relaxed. Begin gentle bouncing, a light rhythm through your legs, your spine, your shoulders. Let your arms swing freely, forward and back, side to side, wherever they want to go. Imagine shaking off the night, letting warmth flow through your joints. Keep breathing, easy and natural. After about half a minute, let the movement fade until you come to stillness. Stand tall, take a deep breath in, and feel the quiet strength inside you. You're not just shaking, you're completing the signal, telling every part of your body, I am awake, I am steady, I am ready. That's it, just 3 minutes, calm and complete. Now, let's talk about why this works so well. It comes down to one quiet principle. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need an hour at the gym. You don't need to sweat, or strain, or chase pain. Your body changes through small signals, repeated with care, day after day. That's the real secret behind Japan's morning ritual, practiced by millions for almost a century. Not power, not effort, but rhythm. When you do this 3-minute sequence every morning, you're not training your muscles alone. You're training your brain to send a clear message. You're telling your nervous system, we are safe. We are stable. We are ready to move. That message grows stronger each day. You repeat it until it becomes automatic. That's what specialists call habit anchoring, linking one gentle habit to another. Do it right before your morning coffee, or while waiting for the kettle to boil, or just before brushing your teeth. Simple anchors that make movement a natural part of your day. The time doesn't matter as much as the everyday. 3 minutes every morning, building trust between you and your body. And always listen to what that body says back. Gentle is the key. If something feels sharp, make it smaller. If it pinches, ease back. This is your ritual for your body. You're not forcing a result. You're creating a conversation, a quiet signal between you and the system that carries you through life. And when that signal is clear, the body answers with balance, with ease, with confidence. Just a quick but very important word on safety. This ritual is designed to be gentle, steady, and safe for most adults over 60. But remember, it's not a medical prescription, and it should never replace personalized advice from your doctor. Your safety always comes first. If you ever feel a sharp, sudden, or shooting pain, stop right away. Pause, breathe, and rest. If you're dealing with severe dizziness, vertigo, or uncontrolled high blood pressure, or if you're recovering from a recent surgery, especially around the hips, knees, or spine, please check with your physician or physical therapist before starting. The goal is simple: to feel better, not worse. Move with awareness. Stay within comfort, and let your body guide the pace. Because progress at this stage of life isn't about how hard you push, it's about how clearly you listen. Conclusion and final re-anchor. And that's it. 3 calm minutes. Done. Take a slow, deep breath and notice how you feel. You didn't just move your body, you reconnected it. You sent a signal of strength and trust between your brain and every joint that carries you through the day. This isn't about fitness, it's about freedom. Each time you do this, you're investing in your independence, in your ability to wake up and feel steady, calm, capable. That feeling of stiffness you used to wake up with, that quiet fear that maybe your body is slowing down, it fades when you move with awareness. You just proved that your body is still adaptable, still responsive, still yours to guide. That's what we call functional longevity. The freedom to keep living life on your own terms. Now, take one last small step to lock in this habit. Scroll down and write a simple promise to yourself in the comments. Type, "I am ready for my day." It's not just a phrase. It's your declaration of movement, and it might inspire someone else to start too. If this ritual helped you feel even 10% better, 10% lighter, hit subscribe. Share it with a friend, maybe a loved one who deserves to feel strong in their own body.